If you shop at Costco in the United States, you do not always need to carry your physical membership card. The Costco app can put your digital membership information directly on your phone, making it easier to access when visiting a Costco warehouse. Start by downloading the official Costco app and signing in with the account connected to your Costco membership. Once you are logged in, open your digital membership card and make sure your membership information and barcode are clearly visible on your screen. When you visit a Costco warehouse in the United States, you can present the digital when requested and use it during checkout. Keep your phone screen bright enough for the barcode to the scan easily. Uh, if the digital card is not showing, check that your Costco membership is active and that you are signing into the correct account. Updating the app, checking your internet connection, or signing out and back, it can also help with temporary problems. So, if you are a Costco US member, the digital membership card can be a convenient alternative to carry your physical card. Just keep the Costco app updated and make sure your membership is properly linked before heading to the warehouse. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.